Hiya, welcome back to the channel. Today we are dealing with this, and we are adding creature comforts to the Citroen in the form of a glove box lid. So it turns that shelf there into a glove box, amazingly. Not sure I'm gonna pack this video out into long enough to go into a Saturday night slot, so it'll probably be a midweeker because it's not a big job. So what do we need to do? Well, first we need to remove all of our personal effects from here. Now this is something I've got for a future video. This is something I've got for a future video, and this is just crap that's been left in here by my offspring. So we've removed that, and then next we need to look at how this fits in. And it'd probably be easier to go around the other side of the car. And now we are here, we can try and have a look at how this fits. Now, this glove box lid, right, for a start, it's black. And our interior is grey, so obviously that's going to look really good. But other than that, I don't think it's an OEM one. I think it's like an AliExpress one or something. Because the normal ones, you've got a look round here. So there's hinges that screw on. Whereas mine doesn't do that. It's very skillfully designed so that you see these things there, which are like hinges. Just clip them in. Now, that is now a glove box. Now, what can also happen with this is, I'm thinking that to make sure it doesn't fall off for added security in case someone breaks in and wants to take all my good stuff out of my glove box. Yes, oh, that's not standard. I'm thinking of put a couple of screws in just to hold it in place.
Let's a wibble and wobble, it'll make you feel it.
And there we have, after some mildly inappropriate foot tapping, we've got some screws. And if you notice, the heads are quite big, and the threads might be too big as well, but I haven't tested them yet. But the idea is, if I put these into here, nice and gently, then when I tighten it up, it's demonstrated perfectly here. Now it is inserted and tightened up, I think it might stop the hinge from being able to come off. Let's see if it still works. Yes. So I'll put one in the other one. And then when that one's tight, that should be it by my very involved calculations. Look at that. It's like, yes, a real car. So, oh, that was painful. So, it seems that is it for this one. It's been short and sweet. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, all the usual shit. And I'll just mention as well, I forgot to mention that this glove box lid, I did sort of mention it, appears that it isn't a standard one, because it's not like the other ones I've seen. The other ones you do have to screw the hinges on, and you have like a plastic hinge. Unless it's a revised version, I think it's more like that it's an aftermarket one. But it works, it seems to work. And now we can put all our shit inside and it doesn't get nipped by scroats. Looking through the window. So now that's it. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, as I've already said. Check out the Instagram, stupid bloke, stupid videos just with lines in front of everything, you know, underscores. And see you next time.